G'day! In today's video, I'm working on a Dell Inspiron 3501 or P90F is its model number. And what I'm doing with this particular one is it's currently got 4 gig of RAM and it's running Windows 11, which is an absolute crime against technology. Windows 11 is running permanently at 100%. By the way, I'm using a Phillips head screw to take these ones out. I'll let you know if any of the screws are a different length. But 4 gig on Windows 11 is an absolute joke, as this customer has found out. His RAM utilization was at 100%, but also his disk utilization was also at 100%. Why was that? Because there wasn't enough internal storage on the laptop, or internal RAM on the laptop, so it was using page file, and that was also causing the disk to run at 100%. Because it was trying to use the disk as RAM. So with that, it turned into a completely unusable drive, probably trying to send the SSD to an early grave. Now, these 2 screws at the back did lift up the back cover, so I should be able to use a pry tool, and I should be able to get in that way. Where are we? No, that pry tool is useless. I need a different one. Go for pick. There we go. There we go. And right here, adding more RAM into there should be relatively easily. So we do have an option of putting an SSD here, and probably an NVMe SSD. Right now there's already a Kingston SSD over here, an A400, which are a little on the low spec, but that's in there and it's going. What we want to do is add more RAM. Over here, these pull tabs pull out, lifts up, pull out, we're here. We have 4 gig of DDR4 3200 megahertz. I didn't actually realize that speed and that combination actually exist. So I'm not going to go into dual channel mode, which typically I would recommend. Customer only wanted to do the cheapest route, which was adding 8 gig into there. So with it, this tab should pull back. Click, click. There we go. Pull that out. Going crucial, 8 gig, 3200 megahertz. There's a notch here. It matches over to the notch over here, like so. Putting it in on about a 45-degree angle, or 35-degree angle, then pull down. Those gold pins should mostly be covered when it's in there. If I push down, we are installed. That's it. Don't have to go into the setting, don't have to go into the BIOS, don't have to go into Windows and change anything. If it's in there correctly, it should post. That's all I'm wanting to do on this particular one at this point in time. The 4 gig of RAM was getting fully utilized. So now with 12 gig of RAM in there, it should be a bit happier. And that SSD won't be running flat out trying to act as page file. Go, mostly clicking in. These 2 are holding it out. Then from there, some Phillips head screws, and we should be good. Those screws, doesn't matter where they go, they are of the same length. There, this one here. One over here. That's going just fine. I'm missing 1 screw. I will have a hunter RAM, but that will do for today. Bye.